Have you ever bought something and you had super high expectations of how it would turn out? And when you get it, it's completely opposite? That's what happened when I reviewed this wig. So this is some footage that you guys have never seen. It's a few months old actually, because I did not like this color and I did not like this look on me. But I'm going to show you guys today, give you the tea, because this wig could be for somebody. So without further ado, we're going to start this vlog off with some $40 wig tea, and then we're going to get into the rest of this video. If you are new here, thank you for watching. If you are interested in this wig, everything will be in the description. Make sure you check the 5 gift ideas that I have given you for this vlog. And keep in mind that there are 5 gift ideas for every vlog in December in the description. Alright, queens, here's the tea. Y'all see I have the wig on my head, so I am ready to talk about this wig. Let's go ahead and get into it because, oh baby, 1, 2, 3, look at me. I do want to let you guys know just the basic specs and details, and then I'll get into my actual opinion. So you guys, this comes with HD transparent lace. It is high heat safe up to 400 degrees. This is what the stock card is looking like, okay? So you guys, Kamiyah really scared me, okay? I already told y'all I was really nervous about this color. I think overall, just the quality of the wig being, it's a really nice quality wig, and I feel like those things made me more comfortable with the color, especially this dark root. Now, like I said, I was not expecting this GoldenHoney to be looking like a sunshiny day, because that's what this wig is giving me. But I can't knock her because the lace area is really nice, and this wig honestly did not give me much shedding at all. And I was flicking it, okay? I was moving and grooving and taking my pictures and whatnot, but she didn't give me issues with shedding or tangling. So I think this is a pretty good quality wig for what you get as far as the price. So this, like I said, is the Outre Melted Hairline Kamiyah. I have it in the color DR4/golden. So the footage you guys just saw, yes, it was a video that I filmed, and I just did not know that that color was gonna look that color. Y'all know how I feel about blonde wigs, girl. I just couldn't get with it, but I feel like it could be for somebody, so put it in the vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Now back to the vlog. Girl. What's up, y'all? It is Monday afternoon. I look an absolute wreck. I took my hair out, as you guys saw in the last vlog or the clip before this, and I need to wash it, but girl, wash day is a whole process. Like, I'm not prepared. But anyways, I'm at my P.O. box. Girl, why I got 4 packages? I'm at my P.O. box. I have 4 packages. Wow. 4 packages. I'm gonna show y'all when I get home. As you guys can see, maybe you can see, I'm at Tropical Smoothie Cafe. I love coming here. Not necessarily this one. I wish ours had a drive-through, because some people's have a drive-through, ours does not. But I love their smoothies. If y'all drink Tropical Smoothie Cafe, or eat, because they have food too, comment below and tell me what you guys get for your order. I always get the Bahama Mama with added probiotic. So good. I just got my lunch. Girl, do you see how I'm wrapped up? Honey, it is cold outside. Like, baby, it is December for sure. Like, I have my big earmuffs on, and it was cold outside. Y'all see how I match my little jacket? I love those big earmuffs. If I could find some, I'm out of breath. If I could find some online, I will link them below, y'all, because I got them from a local store here. But girl, I love me some big earmuffs because I be cold. So let me take my jacket off and tell y'all about what I just did. Some lunch, y'all. I got pizza for lunch, which is my favorite meal. So let me show y'all what kind of pizza I got. I got Pizza Hut. I actually got this pizza for free. I actually got this pizza for free. It didn't cost me anything because I have the rewards when you order through the app. So at first I wasn't really into ordering pizza online, y'all, when it first started popping off. But if you order pizza online, you can really get some good benefits. So I got this pizza for absolutely free through my rewards. And this is what I get from Pizza Hut. So I got half cheese, half pepperoni. This is pan crust. Sometimes I get hand tossed, but it was free. So I was like, girl, I'm getting the pan because you know they charge extra for that here. Half cheese, half pepperoni because I like pepperoni pizza, but I also love cheese and I don't want a full pepperoni pizza because I'm not a big meat eater. And I get the Hut favorite on the crust, which is what I was talking to you guys about in the last vlog. I was telling y'all how I love the flavored crust, but it's got to be the right one. So this is the Hut favorite. I'm getting ready to pop this in the microwave. It's still hot, but I want to reheat my food and have lunch. Hey, y'all. Oh my gosh. So you guys, I started feeling like really bad around like right before I got off work. I'm not sick or anything. It's just, you know, women stuff. So I'm good, but like that pain, y'all know, is something else. But I'm good. So now I just posted the day 1 of Vlogmas. Now I'm about to eat some more of my pizza that I finished or that I got earlier. And I have one more video to post. By the time you guys see this, it will already be up, so I will tag it above. But it's actually a collab with another wig reviewer. Her name is Carrie, and our video is a collab for her, I think it's a holiday series or just a series on her YouTube channel. So I will tag that here. Make sure you guys check it out. And it's featuring a Black-owned business, so definitely check that out. Right now, I'm trying to figure out what I'm about to do. What am I talking about? I know what I'm about to do. I'm about to finish this video. Okay, so the video is supposed to premiere at, it's not gonna premiere, but the video is supposed to go live at 6. It's like almost 5-ish. So I'm gonna have to finish that. I'm about to eat me a little something. Then I'm going to start editing tomorrow's video. I told y'all I'm not doing Vlogmas every day. It'll be 3 times a week, Monday, Wednesday, Friday. But this week, since the first week is starting on a Tuesday, I'm just gonna finish the rest of the weekdays of this week and then do the Monday, Wednesday, Friday starting next week. Because if not, it would only be 2 videos this week. And like, what? We don't want 2 videos. So it'll be Tuesday, Wednesday, maybe Thursday, Friday this week. And then next week from on out, it'll be Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Yeah, Monday, Wednesday, Friday. So I hope you guys got my giveaway information that I put out. It's in the tab comments below, but I'm going to insert right here. Happy December, you guys. It's December. Can you believe it? Like, it's December, girl. But anyways, today is the first day of Vlogmas. I'm really excited, and I have some giveaway information to tell y'all. So let's get to it. Okay, so the first vlog is posting today. Of course, this is kind of like building into my weekly vlogs that I've been doing, but day 1 of Vlogmas posts today. So within Vlogmas, basically YouTubers post every single day. I'm putting my own spin on it, girl, because y'all know I don't be following the rules. I do what I want to do when I want to do it when it comes to my brand. So this is how it's going to work. I'm going to be giving away items from my Amazon page, my Amazon influencer page, which you guys shop through Instagram, YouTube. And if you don't, girl, you need to. I'm going to put it right here. Swipe up, go see what I have, because that's what I'm going to be giving away. So throughout each week, there will be one video that will be the giveaway video. All you have to do is comment, but here's the catch. I'm not going to tell you which video, and I'm not going to make it obvious. So that means that you have to watch all the videos, which a lot of y'all are going to anyway, because y'all love me. Like, why not watch? Watch the video. There will be a hint posted in the video. It will tell you when to comment, what to comment. And when you do that, you will be entering the giveaway. So what I'm going to do is every Friday, I am going to give away a couple of things, whatever's on my heart. I'm going to go to that video, read through the comments, and I'm going to have someone randomly select a couple of people or a person, and they will be the giveaway winners. So you'll know on Friday's video, that video is when I'm going to be announcing the winner. So not only do you need to watch to enter, you need to watch to make sure that you won, because you're going to have like a 24. If you are the winner, you have 24 hours. 24 hours, sis. Don't miss out on this gift. Like, y'all, this is the easiest giveaway ever. Watch, comment. Don't miss out. Y'all have any questions? DM me right now, because the first video goes live in 25 minutes. Of course, I'm going to post here so you can swipe up. Of course, the link will be in my bio. Of course, I will answer your questions in the DMs or in the comments. And it's going to be fun. So I'll see y'all there. Some information from my Instagram stories. If you're not following on my Instagram story, that's where I post really main updates, but I also put it on my YouTube story and my community tab. So I'm going to put it here so you guys know how the giveaway for Vlogmas will work, because who doesn't want to get a free Christmas gift? I'm giving away headband wigs, giving away a lot of stuff from my Amazon page. If you have not checked out my Amazon page, the link is always in the description. It's one of the first links. Okay, so yes, now that y'all got the tea on the giveaway, make sure that you guys look and watch these vlogs for the giveaway video, because I'm giving away a couple of things every Friday. Every Friday, girl. And I don't want you to miss out, especially my homegirls that always be watching. Y'all, don't slip up this week, okay? I want y'all to be able to get this stuff. Okay, so, yeah, let me get my stuff together so we can eat. And then I'm actually I have to unbox a couple of things. So I'm going to show you guys what I got from Amazon and from a beauty supply store online. Every day I'm going to be showcasing 5 gift ideas in the description of each vlog video. So if y'all are looking for gifts that are affordable, cute, and from Amazon, of course, make sure y'all look in the description. It'll be from a couple other places too, but mainly Amazon. So the 5 from yesterday were posted in yesterday's description, and I put it on my story. The 5 from today are below in the description, so make sure you go check it out. These are some peppers that Dom actually grew. Mm-hmm. I didn't even know that he had peppers growing.
Carolina Reaper peppers.
What? What is it called?
Carolina Reaper peppers.
Reaper?
Yeah.
Like that?
Like...
Maybe you shouldn't eat this.
You can make it into a sauce.
So I never even known him to eat peppers, but he grew these. And you said he's going to make salsa.
A sauce.
No, he's going to make a sauce. Using what?
The peppers and vinegar.
Vinegar and peppers.
Yep. And put it in this container.
That does not sound like a good combination, because this stuff is so strong. Like, I don't know if y'all use this. I'll leave a link in the description. I use this for acne. And I also have used it in the past for some other things, but it does not taste or smell good. So how does that make sauce?
It just, I just followed a recipe I saw on YouTube, and it looked cool. I'm gonna try it out.
Well, I'll let you guys know if he likes it or not. We don't do peppers. I'm about to eat some ice cream. Dom went and got it, thank God. Because I need it. I need it. I really only want sweets this time of the month, but this is my favorite flavor ice cream. What's y'all's favorite flavor ice cream? Comment below. Mine, as you can see, is mint chocolate chip. Then after that is cake batter. Not actual cake batter, but the flavor of ice cream. Y'all comment below and tell me what your favorite flavor is. All right, y'all. I am not feeling good today, like, girl. But I'm gonna push through, and we have some packages to open. So I have 2 packages from Amazon, and I have a package from a beauty supply store that I shop online. It's the main one that I shop. So I'm gonna show you guys what's inside. All right. So I don't really remember what I ordered. Like, if I'm gonna be completely honest. I don't really remember what I ordered. So this is gonna be a surprise to you and to me. So the first thing is a headband wig from Amazon. I'm gonna give y'all a little sneakity peekity, okay? I am really excited about this one. I think it's gonna look great. So that's the first thing. What's in here? I have no idea. Here's the second Amazon package. You guys, I tore the mess up out of this package. Like, really, Tanisha, you did not even have to do all that. All right, this is the second package. I'm gonna give you guys a little sneak peek. What color is that? Okay. That's all I'm gonna show y'all. And then I will show y'all what I got from this online beauty supply store. So a lot of people ask me, what store do you shop online the most? And I shop about a combination of two main places. But the shop that I shop the most for synthetic wigs is Elevate Styles, because they allow your girl to have an affiliate link and I can make some extra coins to buy these wigs for y'all to see. So the first one I got was the Outre Kamiyah Wig by Sensational. I have this wig, I reviewed this wig, and that is one of my highest ranking videos. I will tag my video above, but I wanted to recreate the look that I did in that video. It's been over a year, I believe. So I went and picked it up again, and now it comes with HD lace. I don't feel like it came with that before when it first came out. I think they redid these Outre wigs and put HD lace on them. So I will be styling this soon for you guys. I love this wig when I tried it. And then the second wig I got is a new wig. I got the Melted Hairline Audrina because I just reviewed the Melted Hairline Seraphine, Miranda, and what's the other one? And Kira. That's Perfect Hairline. And you guys loved it. I'll tag that review above as well. So I went and got Audrina. And I'm excited to try this because this color always looks good on your girl. So this will be on the way too. I also forgot to tell you guys that my wig sale on my website, I do have some of my review wigs for sale. So I will put that link in the description. It's always there. I will link my affiliate link for Elevate Styles. So if you guys want to shop some wigs, you can do it to help your girl. And then I can use those little bit of coins that I make to buy some more wigs out of pocket for you guys to see. So that will be in the description. So I'm excited about these. As soon as I start feeling well, hopefully tomorrow, I will start filming and you guys will get those wig reviews soon. Oh yes. I'm so excited.